So the valleys which are very narrow, like in narrow, I can tell you that there are two words. One is your broad, that is this area is big, and again if I say this area is small, that means it is narrow. So broad means a little big in size and narrow means small in size. So the narrow deep valleys are called as canyons. Okay, but remember, when you go to higher classes, all these topics again you have to study, and you will study more about it. Here we have to only know the basic thing about it. Okay, so I hope everyone understood the meaning of valleys. Before we finish this, here it was written in the first paragraph that it slopes down to a stream, lake or the ocean formed by water or ice erosion. So the formation, how the valley is made, the valley is made by the slope. It slopes down. Now it is like a slope, now it is coming slanting down. Slope means to come down in a slanting formation, and it is formed by water or ice erosion. Ice erosion, again now ice erosion is a new word for you all. It is a process. Process means it is a function or it is a work which is, or it is a thing, or it is the method in which the large pieces of ice, now most of the mountains are covered with ice only ice, known as glaciers. Everyone must have heard what is a glacier. Glacier is a big mountain of ice. So when these glaciers melt, they start moving towards the valley. Okay, so the next topic is your plateaus. Now the Hindi word for plateau, first I'll tell you the Hindi word for valleys. We call it as ghati. Then the second topic is plateau. Plateau in Hindi is pathar. In Hindi, plateau is known as pathar. Now the land which is flat and higher than its surrounding area is called a plateau. So the land which is flat, now the first one which was your valley, we saw that a valley is a hollow space. है ना? Hollow means empty space which was in the shape of U, that was known as a valley. The plateau is a land which is flat. Flat means like this, okay, plain, and higher than its surrounding area is called a plateau. It is also called a tableland because the top of the plateau is flat. So the other name of plateau is tableland, because it is flat like a table. Everyone knows what is a table. Now this is a table, you can see it is flat. So the plateau also looks like a table because the main part of a plateau is flat compared to the other parts of that area, because the top of the plateau is flat. Then some plateaus such as the Deccan Plateau of India and the Colorado Plateau of the United States are basaltic and were formed as a result of the flow of lava which covered thousands of square kilometers that built up the land surface. Now what is the meaning of this basaltic? Basaltic actually is taken from the word basalt. And what is a basalt? Basalt is a dark grey or black in color rock. Now everyone knows what is a rock. Rock means patthar or chattan, which is dark grey or which is black in color and which comes out from volcano. Everyone knows what is a volcano. Volcano means Jwalamukhi. When the earth's surface breaks or it opens out, and you can, if you have seen a volcano, or if you must have seen in the TVs and all also, that when the volcano erupts or when a volcano bursts open, what all things comes out. So from the volcano we see the lava. We know what is a lava. It is a soft liquid rock which comes out from the mouth of a volcano with some ash means rock, and then gases also. So what happens, the plateau which is in the, now the Deccan Plateau of India, Deccan Plateau, we can find the Deccan Plateau in the southern part of India, and it is in the shape of a triangle. If you have seen the map of India, you will see that the bottom part of India, that is the southern part of India, is like a triangle. So the Deccan Plateau we can see in the southern part of India, and in Hindi south is known as Dakhin. So from that word the name is given as Deccan Plateau, and the Colorado Plateau is seen in the state of, in the country of United States, and this plateau is covered with the lava. Now what is this lava? Lava, I told you, it is a liquid, hot liquid rock, the rock which is in the liquid form, and it is hot because the lava bursts from inside the earth's surface. So it is very hot inside the earth, and this comes out on top of the earth, that is known as the lava. And slowly when this lava starts becoming cold, it starts making a layer, and this layer forms the plateau. Now it's written, the soil of a plateau is good for growing crops. Soil means, in Hindi, soil is mitti, and the soil of a plateau is very good for growing crops. फसल उगाने के लिए जो प्लाटो का जो मिट्टी होता है, पठारों का जो मिट्टी होता है, वहाँ जो मिट्टी पाया जाता है, वो फसल उगाने के लिए बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. The Deccan Plateau in India contains black soil. So we know what is the Deccan Plateau. So the soil which we find in the Deccan Plateau, that is also has black soil in it, and that is good for growing cotton. Cotton, we know cotton is also a plant from which we get cotton. So the color of the soil is black. That is why the name is given as black soil, and it is how this soil we get from the soil, from the breaking of the lava and the rocks which come out from the lava, and this black soil has got three metals, that is your iron, alumina and magnesia. These three metals we find in the black soil, which is very good for growing cotton crops. रुई के फसल को बहुत अच्छे फ़ायदा करता है black soil. Then we come to the topic mountains. So the shape of a plateau is like this. It's like a table form. Okay, so this is the shape of a plateau. Then it is mountains. Mountains in Hindi, they are known as Parvat. Okay. So what are mountains now? Number 3. These are portions of the earth that rise steeply from the surrounding area. Portions of the earth means these are the areas of the earth. Now this is also a landform or this is also a form of land which we can find in the earth, which rises steeply from the surrounding areas. What is the meaning of this slide? This means that it rises up, okay, rises up like this, okay, from the surrounding area. So wherever the mountains are rising, it is a chain of mountains which form a range. Chain of mountains means it is a group of mountains. More than one mountain if you see, they are known as mountain range. All along the north of our country, as you must have heard also that there are 4 directions: north, south, east, west, and the north part of your country, that is the northern part of India, it is very cold. Yes or no? The north part of India is very cold, and all along the north of our country lie the mighty Himalayan mountain ranges, and the most important or the most well known mountain ranges in the north are the Himalayas. If you can see in the picture, you can see the mountains are covered with snow. That is why it's very cold in the north part of India. The topmost part of a mountain is called its peak. Now this is the topmost part. This pointed part of a mountain is known as the peak of the mountain. The tip, the top part, this area, this point is known as the peak of the mountain. The peaks of some mountains remain covered with snow throughout the area. So when we go to the north part and when we see the mountains there, the number of mountains, most of the mountains, the top of those mountains are covered with snow throughout the year. Throughout the year means throughout the year, पूरे साल भर it is covered with snow. And the best example is your